The first thing you need to do is actually install Python. So head on over to python.org, hit Downloads, and you can download the most recent version of Python here. I thought it might be nice to show you what it looks like to install, at least on Windows. So here I am running the installer. I'm going to do a customized installation just because I'm curious what options they're making available. You definitely want to check this checkbox at the bottom, add Python 3 to your path. The path is a list of folders that your computer will look in when you try and run a program and it doesn't know where to find the executable file for that program. It's what's going to let you be able to run Python from the terminal if you want to. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, all of these seem okay to me. Pip is especially useful because it will automatically download packages for you or help you manage your packages. I am probably not going to be using this, so I'm going to uninstall this one. This is for making GUIs, if you want to make a graphical user interface. Everything else looks fine, though. All of this also looks okay. I think I'll install for all users. If I don't install it for all users, it's going to put your Python executable inside a folder for your particular user. So for me, that's D. Dobrovich. Notice that when I click install for all users, now it's putting Python inside program files x86, which is where your 32-bit software lives. So I'll click install, and I'll pause it while it does its thing. And it looks like that's it. You can test to see if it's worked from the terminal. So if you're on a Mac, you can open Spotlight and type terminal. If you're in Windows, you can go down to the search bar and type CMD for command prompt.
Hey,
and it will work if you type Python -- version. Yeah, you brought some beads. And there you see that it's worked.